dear students, how are you all? Today I will be teaching you the second lesson in English for class 5, the friendship. This is a story of two friends namely Tilak and Sudhir. They were very different in their personalities and interests. Now let us learn how did they become very close friends. So shall I take you into the lesson now? Tilak and his parents had newly moved to a house. One day, Tilak's mother comes to his room and asks, Tilak, do you know a boy named Sudhir? When mother asked, Tilak, do you know Sudhir? Tilak just shook his head and he said, yes mama, I know him. He is not that good in games. He always keeps book and keeps on reading every time. But I am the captain of our school cricket team and I am good at hockey as well as football. So I don't speak much to him. So mother was telling, today evening I have invited them for the tea party at our home. I think even Sudhir will also accompany them. Take good care of him when he visits our home. That evening, Sudhir's parents along with Sudhir visited Tilak's house. As the parents were talking in the drawing room, Tilak took Sudhir to his room and he was showing all the medals and the trophies which he has won for the games. But he never asked what was the interest of Sudhir. These boys were sitting in the room but they did not discuss about anything as they did not show any interest with each other. Finally, the parents called Sudhir to come down so that they can leave to their home. They will keep on visiting often. Sudhir and Tilak's parents will keep on visiting their house often, but these two boys never thought of becoming a good friends. After a week passed, Tilak was playing football as he was the captain of the team. Finally, something occurred for him. What was that? It was nothing. He fractured his leg and he has to lie on the bed for 6 weeks. That means he has to miss his school for 6 weeks. Initially, for a week, Tilak felt very lonely because as he was missing lot of practice for his cricket as well as he was missing his friends. During the first week, every day evening, his friends used to visit him and come and cheer him up so that he never feels lonely and he never misses his friend. As the day passes, it was very close for the cricket match. They had very less time for the practice, so they stopped coming often. They made 2 days once or 3 days. The visit was like 2 days or 3 days once to meet his friend Tilak. After a week, one day, one of his friends came full of excitement to meet Tilak. Tilak was shocked. Why are you so happy? His friend said, do you know one thing, Tilak? I have been selected for the captain of our cricket team instead of you. I feel very happy. I just wanted to share this with you, so I came to visit you. Tilak felt very sad, but he did not express it to his friend, so that he should not feel jealous of Tilak. Tilak smilingly said, do not worry my friend, I will definitely pay this game once I am back to school. And he was very brave friend of his friend. Once his friend left to his home, Tilak could not control his tears. It was very hard to beat his tears. He started to have tears in his eyes and he felt very disappointed and very lonely. While Tilak was crying, he heard suddenly a knock. He asked who was it? It was his mother who came and said, Tilak, you have a visitor waiting down. Can I bring to your room? Tilak said, of course mother, you can bring him. It was Sudhir who came with some books and he was very shy and he just sat next to the bed where Tilak was lying. And he handed over the books to Tilak and said, you must be getting bored lying on the bed for a very long time. So I bought you some books so that you can read these books and make yourself relaxed. Initially, Tilak did not have any happiness or he did not have any interest while taking the book. But later, when he saw the cover of the book, he was quite impressed and he wanted to know what was the book all about. The book cover had a beautiful picture of a snow white cheetah and He was quite interested. What is this book about? Let me have a check. And as he started to open the book, he saw a beautiful pictures with many pictures of Pippa and along with her cubs. It was shown like climbing the trees, and sometime it was also shown like playing and also even enjoying a cool drink from the bottle with the help of straw. It made Tilak very eye-catching, and he just wanted to know what is this all about, and he started to question Sudhir. I hope you will like reading this book. And he was about to get up and go. Tilak stopped him and said, please don't go. Can you be here for some more time and tell me all about this book? And they started to have a conversation between both of them. Sudhir and Tilak slowly started to build a friendship among them. Sudhir sat down and started to tell the story of Pippa from the time she was a cub, and still now she became a mother of little tiny cubs. It was so interesting for Tilak to hear it from Sudhir, and he was also eagerly listening to what Sudhir started to explain about the Pippa and her cubs. Sudhir started to explain the story of Pippa, how she was handed to a beautiful couple named George and Joy Adamson, who had too much of love towards wildlife. He also explained how these two took care of the Snow White, Pippa and her cubs. Sudhir also explained that they also had written a book on Pippa, and they also had a lioness as their pet. Tilak was very amazed and he said, lioness as a pet? Yes, and it is so amazed to have cheetah also as a pet, said Sudhir. Sudhir also explained about the lioness. It was named as Elsa. Sudhir also informed that, do you know, Tilak, they also wrote a book on Elsa which was named as Born Free. Tilak was very excited. After an hour, Tilak's mother went into the room to know what these two boys were doing. She saw these two boys were having a deep conversation. Seeing that, she felt very happy, and she went nearby and said, Sudhir, I think you should visit our home very often. Please do come and visit your friend Tilak. Sudhir started visiting him every evening, and it became habituated for both of them. Even Tilak was awaited to look for his friend every evening. Sudhir was very much interested in zoology. He was interested in looking after animals. He had many pets in his house. As Sudhir was interested in zoology, he often visited, that is, every week he used to visit zoo to watch the animals over there. And not only that, he had many pets in his house, that is, 2 dogs, 2 cats, and a baby owl and a baby monkey. One evening, Sudhir brought his baby monkey to Tilak's house. As Tilak's mother saw the baby monkey, she got very scared. The monkey started to jump behind the curtains and it started to chatter. She was scared, and these 2 boys started laughing, looking at the mother. By then, the 6 weeks has quickly passed. Tilak got recovered and he was able to walk on his feet. Went to school on the first day and returned back home quickly. And on that day evening, he went to meet Sudhir. When he went to meet Sudhir, he saw Sudhir feeding his pets. He felt very happy and he also joined along with him. When he was trying to feed the cat, the baby owl started to climb on Tilak, and he had so much of fun spending time with the pets and Sudhir. After visiting Sudhir's house, Tilak returned back to home and was talking to his mother. He said, Mother, it is very strange that you and Sudhir's mother are friends. The same way even I and Sudhir are friends. How is it possible? Mother smiled and said, Tilak, you should be thanking your broken leg for this, because just because you have broken your leg, you and Sudhir became friends. Tilak thought for a while and smilingly said, Mama, do you think I should again break my leg for making new friends? I conclude by telling you, children, friends are needed in any kind of situation. They stand beside you, supporting you all in your worries as well as in your loneliness as well as in your happiness. Thank you, students.